Hello everybody. Talking about consciousness and its abilities in artificial intelligence is one of the most active topics nowadays. This debate about the nature of consciousness started very long time ago. However, with the invention of computer, the debate became more complicated. Many science fiction movies have been made to cover the topic of artificial intelligence and its abilities. Whether a machine can be conscious or not, what kind of consciousness it may have, and how this can affect human life. Will it be beneficial or it will be catastrophic? How ethically humans should treat those conscious machines, and how we can save ourselves from an unexpected error that may terminate all human race existence. These questions are not only raised in science fiction, but they also take the most concern of nowadays philosophy, neuroscience, and computer science.
Over the years, people have been seeking happiness and comfort. Many robots were manufactured to help doing stiff missions in harsh environments. It wasn't so far that robots were able to do tasks that required rather vast mental capabilities in a very short time. But can such robots mimic the elaborated motion of humans? Can they react in a developed manner that is indistinguishable from the human's reaction? A few months ago, engineers at Boston Dynamics were able to build a robot that moves in all the human's degrees of freedom. It can carry things and resist external interference to its motion. They also succeeded in designing a cheetah mimicking machine. In their way to produce a voice interacting machine, Microsoft Corporation brought Cortana out to light. Whenever you open your windows, you will find it saying, "Ask me anything."
Hi, I'm Cortana.
Another application to a voice interacting machine is iPhone Siri, which receives and implements all users' commands through voice. And finally, collaborating the 3D advanced motion with voice interaction, Nadine, called by her creators as the social robot, is now a reality. She can speak, do motion, and recognize people.
I was born in Japan, but I did all my learning in NTU.
Sorry, repeat again.
Can you laugh?
Yes, I can laugh. Ha 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 ha.
So, the question now, can a machine be conscious? The answer depends on our definition for consciousness. For example, John Searle defined the conscious as a something which is related to the biological state of the brain. For clarifying, he believed that the neural activity of the brain collectively creates a conscious machine. However, this machine is not computational. It possesses no algorithms and there are no memory elements such as zeros and ones in the computer. Therefore, if a machine that mimics the human understanding is built, it won't be conscious because it does not possess the brain machine. Furthermore, Descartes saw that mind is not a physical thing. Hence, conscience can't be introduced to a machine. In contrast, other definitions suggest that conscious is just the perception and awareness of the surrounding world. Hence, it does not require self-reflection or emotional responses, and it is not a biological activity. For example, when some humans face a damage in some parts of their brain, they lose emotions, but we still call them conscious. According to this definition, artificial intelligence now reaches some kinds of conscience. It's still primary, however, it's expected not only to reach human thinking abilities, but to go beyond them.
In conclusion, it seemed that whether a machine can be conscious or not is related to how we define consciousness. Furthermore, maybe machine will never have a self-reflection, emotions, or data storing and processing similar to human. However, it sounds that machine will have more effective thinking abilities than human. Therefore, we have to know exactly how we treat them, and we must be so careful while we are improving machines, because if they become autonomous, we don't know whether they will serve humanity or they will exterminate it. Just, they must not be trusted.